Difference between an LPN and an RN are just those little letters. Less school, same amount of money.
Okay. The manic energy, I'm trying to take a deep breath. There's a huge difference between LPNs and RNs. I would know, I worked for years as an LPN and then transitioned to RN. Huge difference in scope of practice, huge difference in pay. Otherwise, no one would move up from LPN, right? Right? Average salaries, discrepancies, state to state vary, but they can be anywhere from $30,000 difference a year to $40,000, $50,000 difference in salary a year. Now let's talk specifically about scope of practice. So for example, in the state of Florida, a lot of times an LPN cannot do the official admission assessment or do the official admission. They cannot start the IV or give IV medications unless they have a little special IV therapy certifications. Some states allow LPNs to do IV medications, but it's usually under the supervision of an RN. It's a different scope of practice. I feel like I explain this once every year. It's also just a simple Google search on your facility and on your state. I love you so much. Questions in the comments. I'll answer anything that you want to know.